Hi, we're gonna make today pasta shells filled up with ricotta cheese, and it's really good. All you need to buy the jumbo shells. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna use ricotta cheese. Ooh, that's a lot, but it's okay. You can buy the part scheme, it's okay. Or buy the big one. One egg. Of course it's not salty, so like about 2 teaspoons or teaspoon and a half salt. Mix it up good. Like a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. A little bit of ground onion. Half a teaspoon. About a quarter cup or half a cup, as much as you want, of mozzarella, shredded mozzarella. A little more, I like it. It's part scheme. You can put dry oregano, fresh oregano, 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, or thyme, or basil, whatever you like. In my house, nobody likes it. It's ready. I cooked the pasta shells 15 to 20 minutes, medium high. It's cooked already. When you cook the pasta shells, put a little salt, like 1 teaspoon salt to 1 tablespoon of oil. We're going to use pasta sauce. I like the basil. Put it in a tray, in a Pyrex tray. Like a half a cup of cold water. Spread it. I like to use a little bit of heavy cream, not too much. Quarter a cup. That's it. Give it good flavor, good taste. Make the sauce rich. I smell the basil. Okay, good enough. Start filling up the pasta shells. Okay, I need a small. Put them like this. See? Like a 1 tablespoon. That's enough. Take it out of the sticking together. Okay, here you go. A little more. Finish, fill up the pasta shells with ricotta. Now, I set up the oven 360. First, I like to use the baking paper, cover, oops, and then foil. In the oven, 25 to 30 minutes. We'll see what happened. I have some pasta shells left, so usually I freeze it, and next time I cook less pasta shells. It freezes good. Okay. Here's the pasta shells with ricotta cheese. About 35 minutes, 360. Now, a little bit of mozzarella, about a half a cup, not too much. A little more, if you like more, put more. And put it back in the oven, uncover, just to melt the cheese for another maybe 5 minutes. And it's going to be done. I think it's enough. 5 minutes is over. Cheese melted. Ooh, yummy. It looks good. Your kid's going to love it. Smells good. It's hot, very hot. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. And I hope you're going to make it. Your children are going to love it. Thank you. See you next time.